let the noise fade. Step outside into the shade. Heavy shoulders racing mind, chasing days you can't rewind. Screens and sirens, endless pace, but the woods are calling you to grace. Leave the hurry, leave the fight, let the green restore your light. Walk the forest, breathe it slow, let the quiet teach you flow. Step by step the tension breaks. Shinrin-yoku, peace awake. Cortisol falls, the mind grows clear. In the trees, you're finally here. Science whispers what we know. Nature's rhythm makes you whole. Immune cells rise like morning dew. Sleep returns when skies turn blue. Not a theory, just the way. Foot on soil, breath in play. Walk the forest, breathe it slow. Let the quiet teach you flow. Step by step the tension breaks. Shinrin-yoku, peace awake. Cortisol falls, the mind grows clear. In the trees, you're finally here. No rush, no noise, no need to prove. The canopy holds you. The roots move. Just be here. Just breathe. The forest knows. The forest sees. Step by step the path unfolds. Leave the way, take back your soul. Forest bathing softly done. You are home when you're gone.